Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Now let's move to adding these earbuds to the app, and firstly we need to pair them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS. Then we need to enter pairing mode, so we have two options. The first one is to enter pairing mode automatically. You need to only open the charging case, of course your earbuds should be inside the case, and if your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually. Inside the charging case we have a connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds until the LED lights start blinking blue, like what I have right now. So just 1, 2 and 3, and then you will also enter to pairing mode. Now we need to pair them, so tap on them. And we have connection, so we can hide the Bluetooth and open EARFUN audio app. And as you can see we have a pop-up what ask you to add them, so click connect, or you can click at the plus. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!